Hey boys and girls, no hat day today. Oh wow, I'm a little tired and I'm trying to remember what the heck I'm doing. Oh yeah, I bake twice a week and for some reason my sandwich bread's always coming out wacky. Okay, I got to ask Anthony, do you know why it turned yellow? Okay, crust is good, looks good on the cut, every look thing's fine, and crumbly. Smells kind of off. The color, okay, it's white bread, and I got it yellow. I can't figure out that one. I'm following an old 16th century French bread recipe and trying to figure this one out, and it's driving me nuts. If you kind of notice where I cut the center right here, it's off to the side. Most of my breads are lopsided or weird. This one I didn't use cornmeal on the bottom. I used lard. Lard's good, but it turned yellow. Okay, I had another batch that turned brown, but I could figure out what was wrong with that. But yellow? Okay, if you can see the camera, it has a yellow tinge to it. Yeah, if I tilt it right, you could tell it has yellow in it. I need a high definition camera. This in the computer one's all right, but yeah, it's yellow. Smells more cake-like. I can't figure that one out. So I asked Anthony Palmetto Prepare, go check out his pizza video, a very good video. I'm just trying to figure out stuff. Okay, and then Gil was right. I did learn that in the 90s, but I'm not an expert. I just remember the stuff I was taught. And Uncle Alan's memory is not that good. Okay, I have brain damage and I suffered 2 strokes. So some things in my past I don't really remember. And I hope they don't come up and I find out I'm a wanted person in a foreign country or something. Okay, now I do like to grab a whole bunch of Enegry bars. It's December end of the season, so a lot of these are going on sale. I got this one at Walmart for $4.50, and it's a grass-fed whey protein bar. Let's open this one up. Yeah, part of my bulk bag series. And Uncle Al, he used to have like 3, like Gil said, get home bag, a day bag, and bug out bag. But when I went and learned this stuff, there was like 27 bags involved. That's a lot of bags. And then you have duplication and weight management and whatchamacallit, a whole bunch of stuff. 27 bags, and usually gave me a headache because I had to, before you end the course, you had to teach to other people who had no idea what you were talking about. So I got the same 4 bars. Now they kind of look like this. Okay, chocolate mint. And let's see, omega something, 14 grams protein. Let's see, about 200 calories. Main ingredient is whey. Let's see, whey crisps, gluten-free oats, tapioca starch, rice flour, vegetable glycerol, tapioca syrup, sunflower oil, almonds, chocolate liqueur, responsibly caught fish, anchovy, sardines, tibia, and cocoa powder. Natural flavor comes from cocoa butter, sea salt, monk fruit, contains milk, fish, tree nuts, and oatmeal and some soy. May contain traces of dirt and peanuts. Okay, it's still an energy bar. And by the ingredients reading, it's mostly oats, whey, and all that good stuff. It's light, palatable, thick, and it comes out, if you divide $4.50 by 4, it's about $1.25, I think. I'm not too sure, $1.35. Uncle Alan's getting tired because I have to do a lot of videos in a short period of time. This one's without the hat, and I'm tired, so I'm going to end it quick. I'm going to save this one. I got to remember, no hat. Break in the storm, but the electrician, one of my friends, couldn't come over to help me fix the wiring. I bought this house. It's a 90s built house, but it asked Gil of Camptown, Camp Patton family compound, what I'm talking about wiring, because I'm still mad because of the damn circuit breakers, and I got to figure out the wiring. My plugs are still out. Only got half the house plugs working. The lights are still good. Sometimes to run this computer and this light, I have to use a battery bank at my foot. And I broke one of my toes hitting it, so I got a Band-Aid on my toe. So I'm reading the meter. I'm still good. The lights behind me are on a separate, different plug. And my mother made this weird looking tea. I can't tell you. I don't know what it is, but she strained it. It looked like dead lizards, leaves, onion skins. It tastes like dirt and water. Hope it isn't dirt and water. It's an ancient Chinese secret. That's all I need. Okay, kids. I'll catch you later. I mean, folks, sorry. Called everybody kids, and I'm trying to re-dye my hair, so later, folks.